Oh, and I'm fixing my brakes. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ruben, and this is Good News Cup. I am here with my new International. I am working on it. I just removed the heater. Oh, snap. Just removed the heater element that's right here. I have it down here. I'm gonna test it out and make sure it still works. The lines were cut, so I'm not worried about that, but I want to make sure it still blows out hot air before I buy a new one. Clean this whole area up. I removed the thermostat, and funny thing about this thermostat, where's it at? Oh, I'll find it here in a second. I'm gonna edit that clip in. Thermostat, there's actually a bug stuck inside. Has a bunch of holes in the bottom, and it looks like it's been patched before. So as you can see, a hole there. I'm gonna order a new one. If not, I'm gonna have to clean this up and fix it if I can't find one. Radiator looks good. The engine seems to be, I gotta do a flush on it, but nothing new. And I got the timing belt. I gotta take out the valve cover to do that. Make sure I'm in the first position before I get that going. Well, this is my truck. I hope you like it. And you're gonna see me. Oh, actually, let me show you one more thing before I leave. I took out the oil bath, and I'm gonna rebuild the carb. It's a little weird. It's not as smooth as mother truck, so we'll be fixing that. But here we go.